This is 2A striding out the left hand. So we start with 5 on B flat. This is a long way below middle C. Here is middle C. You're going to go 5 to 2. 5 is on B flat, 2 is on F, and they're staccato. Then you have a rest. In that rest, you come up to the B flat and down to the D. Then we go up onto E flat with a 4 and B flat with a thumb. Then over, 2 onto D flat and then thumb on the C. Then we're just going down by steps, C to B flat. Then A to G, 2 on E flat, 2, 3, 4, 2 on F, and then B flat at the bottom. I'm going to play that all again.